Triple column cash book. Cash book with cash, bank and discount columns. Dear students, today let us learn about a triple column cash book. That means cash book with cash, bank and discount columns. In a business of any magnitude, all important payments will necessarily be made by means of checks, and therefore payments have to be invariably recorded in cash book and bank book separately. Sometimes the receipts and payments are settled at a discount. In the case of prompt or advance receipts of cash from debtors, we allow some discount, and in the case of prompt or advance payments in cash, we receive some discount from the creditors. Therefore, the cash book is so divided as to have not only cash and discount columns but also bank column on either side. The use of such a cash book at once obviates the necessity of opening a bank account in the ledger and posting thereto all the transactions with the bank, inasmuch as the bank columns in the case would serve the purpose of a bank account. Postings of cash transactions. All the items on the debit side of the cash book are posted to the credit, and those on the credit side are posted to the debit of various ledger accounts affected. Posting of discount columns. The total of the discount column on the debit side of the cash book represents discounts allowed by us, and being our loss is debited to discount account in the ledger. The total of the credit discount column is our gain, as it represents discounts received by us and is therefore credited to discount account. While posting the entries from the receipt side of the cash book, care must be taken to post the actual cash received as also the discount, if any, allowed to the credit of the personal accounts concerned. Similarly, while posting the entries from the payment side of the cash book, if any discount is received from the creditor, the account of the latter should be debited not only with the actual cash paid to him but also with the discount received from him. Illustration. Enter the following transactions in the cash book with cash, bank and discount columns. We have an illustration here, and each transaction we will record in a separate sheet, and I will explain to you how it has to be recorded. March 1. Balance of cash in hand 2000 and in Bank of India Limited rupees 10,000 rupees. For this we will open a cash book with cash, bank and discount columns. We have debit side and credit side. On the debit side we have date column, receipts column, ledger folio column, discount allowed column, cash column, bank column. On the credit side, date column, payments column, ledger folio column, discount received column, cash and bank columns. In the bank column and cash balance, cash column, we will record cash transactions and bank transactions respectively. Discount allowed column is recorded the discount allowed by us. In the discount received column, we will record the discount received by us. So on March 1, the transaction is balance of cash in hand 2000 and in Bank of India 10,000. So and it is a balance. So we have cash in our bank and in our cash chest. So we have to record this on the debit side as March 1. To balance brought down, cash 2000 and bank 10,000. We will go to next transaction. March 2. Received cash from D. Shetty rupees 2000 and allowed him discount 60. We received cash. So whatever we have received, we have to receive it on the debit side. March 2 to D. Shetty rupees 2000 we received and we allowed him 60 rupees as a discount. Next transaction. March 4. Paid to S. Govind and Company by check rupees 520 in full settlement of the account for rupees 550. So this is a payment by check. So we have to record it on the credit column of the credits of the bank account. March 4 by S. Govind, discount 30 rupees, bank account 520 rupees. March 5. Received cash for sales, cash 75 and check 100 rupees. That means this is a sale transaction. We received cash through sales, and bank we have received some amount through into the bank through check. So we have to record this on the debit side. March 5, 2 sales, cash sale 75, bank sale 100 rupees. Now March 6 paid into Bank of India 620. When we pay into bank, we pay from our cash. So we are losing cash. So on the credit side of the cash column, we have to record 620 March 6 by bank, and we are receiving this amount in the bank. So on the debit side, March 6 to cash 620 in the bank column we have to record. March 8 paid by cash for purchases by check 845. This is a payment, so we have to record it on the credit side. This is through check, so we have to record in the bank column 845 March 8 by purchases 845. March 9 paid bill payable number 8 by check 1200. This is a payment by check, so we have to record in the bank column 1200, the narration being by bill payable number 8 on March 9. March 11 paid by check to V Valli rupees 525 in full settlement of 540. So this is a payment again by check. So we have to record it on the credit side. In the bank column, actual check we have given to Valli 525 and discount 15 we have received. So March 11 by Valli by V Valli 15 rupees discount and 525 is the actual payment. Next, drew for office use 500. We draw some money from the bank. That means we are foregoing money in our bank account. So in the bank column we have to receive on the credit side 500 March 12 by cash. This in turn we are receiving cash in our office. So we have to debit cash account 500 rupees. March 12 to bank 500 rupees. March 13 paid cash for advertisements rupees 450. This is a payment again through cash. So we have to record it on the credit side that the cash column 450. This is an expense March 13 by advertisement expenses. March 16 paid cash for electricity charges 420. This is a payment again through by cash. So we have to record it in the credit side the cash column rupees 420. Date March 16 by electricity charges. Draw a check for 2000 for personal use. This is a withdrawal from the bank 2000 rupees for personal use. So we have to record this in the drawings account on March 17, and we have to record it on the credit side of the bank as it is a withdrawal from the bank. March 19 paid February salary to staff by check. This is again a payment through check, so we have to record on the credit side of the bank column 1500 March 19 by salaries. So paid by check office safe for 275. This is again a payment by check. That means you have to record it on the credits of the bank column 275 March 21 by office safe. March 23 received from C. Parekh and Company rupees 875 means full settlement of their account 900. We have received the amount 875 actual cash. So we have to record this on the debit side of the cash column 875. Our actual amount due from Parekh is 900. So we allow him 25 rupees discount. So on March 23 to C. Parekh, discount 25, actual cash received 875. March 25 paid into Bank of India 1000. Again here we are foregoing cash and depositing in our bank account. So our cash will reduce. So we have to record it on the credit side of the cash column March 25 by bank 1000. This we have, when we have deposited it in the bank, we will receive in the bank account. So on the debit side of the bank account, we have to record this as 1000 rupees debit side. March 25 to cash 1000 rupees debit in the bank column. March 26 paid cash for freight 55. This is cash payment. So on the cash column we have to record 55 March 26 by freight rupees 55. Paid rent for February by check. By check, this is a payment by check. So we have paying it through bank. So on the credit side of the bank column we have to record this transaction 175. March 29 by rent rupees 175. March 31 received a check for 460 from Samuel and Company in full settlement of the account 480. So this is a receipt of check. So we have received a check, so we have to debit our bank account by rupees 460 and we have received 20 rupees discount. We have allowed them 20 rupees discount. Because total due is 480, we received only 460. The different 20 rupees is the discount allowance. We have to record it on the discount allowance column. March 31 to Samuel account, discount 20 rupees and bank 460 rupees. So now after recording all the transactions, balancing the columns of cash bank columns and totaling the discount column. We have to total the discount columns, both sides, and then we have to balance the cash account and bank account. The total of the cash is 454. The cash column total debits is 5450 less total credits 2545 and the balance carried down is 2995. 2905. Bank column total debits 12,180 less total credits 7,540 and the balance carried down is 4,640. Like this we have to close the account on the credit side with the balance. If the debit side is more than credit side totals, March 31 by balance carried down, this balance we have to carry down for the next period. On April 1, two balance brought down, rupees 2905 cash, 4,640 bank. We will continue further for the April transactions. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about trade discount, cash discount, petty cash, columnar petty cash book and cash impress system.